We have hit 30,000 lovies on our channel and I'm so excited. I don't know how to act. And so today I want to give back to you guys because you give so much to me. I started YouTube just to have a different outlet for my creativity, and I don't know, I just never expected people to be so loving, so kind, and to vibe with me so much. And so for every single person that's hit subscribe, for every person that comments, for everybody that shares, for everybody that follows me, goes and finds me on other social media platforms, I thank you today for being a part of our little community, our corner of the internet. So today we're going to be doing a giveaway. Hi, my name is Fumi Ford, wife, mom, content creator based out of Birmingham, Alabama. But say it with me, she's a Niger babe, Nigerian born. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, travel, entrepreneurship, and luxury. And if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please think about hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of our growing family. If you're one of my regular lovies, buckle up, sit down, get your pen and paper. We're doing a giveaway, and I want to be able to give you guys something great. So today we're going to do an unboxing of a bag that I bought, and then we're going to get into the giveaway at the end. So make sure you stay towards the end so that you can take part in the giveaway. Without further ado, let's get into my latest purchase. You guys know I was in Italy this summer, and I ended up going by the Louis Vuitton there because I wanted my VAT tax. I wanted my monies back for shopping. So I wanted to get a bag while I was there so I could save some money and get some money back. So let's go ahead and box my newest Louis Vuitton. Woo! I had to travel with her in my suitcase. I wanted to bring the box. Usually I'll leave the box there, but I wanted to bring this box with me. And so, I mean, it's a box from Italy. Not that it matters, there's no difference, but I wanted to bring the box and dust bag with me. Let's look up the specs of this bag. So she is the mini shopper tote in the color saffron yellow, which is the color of Louis Vuitton's like Eponius color. She was a runway piece, so she was showcased on the runway. She retails for $4,000. She's cowhide leather on the trim as well. The textile lining, silver toned hardware, a musculatin closure, 2 top handles, Louis Vuitton embroidery on the front and the back. She has a zip compartment, removable adjustable straps, and a double handle. So let's go ahead and unbox her. Not all. Look at this. No, I didn't get the saffron. What am I talking about? I got the pink. Not the saffron. I literally forgot what color I got. I got it in the pink. And look how gorgeous she is. Again, she's not going to be a bag for everybody. She's not going to be a bag that everybody likes or is everybody's taste. But I was absolutely obsessed with her when I saw her. It was between her and a capucine. They did not have the capucines in the color I wanted. I want a capucine in not exotic leather. I don't do exotic leathers, but I want a capucine in a bright, colorful, fun color. All they had was black and red, and I didn't want that. I have enough black bags. I have enough red bags. When I saw the shopper's toe, I was like, yeah, give her to me. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Look at the bottom of it. She does not have feet, but that's okay. It is a gorgeous, tiny, lined, pebbled leather. Not really pebbled, it's more like a line leather, but it's very faint lines. You have Louis Vuitton right here, stitched. There we go. The Louis Vuitton is stitched inside of the bag. I do not have a bag this color, this pink, this bubblegum fun pink. Definitely summer, definitely spring. I love that it's a two-tone, so you have the pink, but then the handles are this gorgeous green leather as well. It's a musculatin closure. Never heard of that before, but you learn something new every day. It's a musculatin closure, silver hardware, like they said. Crossbody straps that are also leather. Oh, this bag smells so good. The inside, of course, is the textile lining for the inside of it, so she's going to be easier to clean. She has a zippered compartment. which will fit a full-size wallet inside of it. And then she has a little sleeve. There's 2 sleeves. She has 1 sleeve and another sleeve right here. So you can put your lipsticks inside of. She is a tote bag, so she does fit quite a bit inside of it. So she is very, very, very functional bag. She does have hardware on the inside for the crossbody straps. And the crossbody straps are adjustable. Look at the detail on this strap. It is so stunning. It's almost like it's like interwoven or something. It's just beautiful. It is adjustable and it is leather. I would adjust this to make this a little bit shorter because it is a longer crossbody. This is her as a crossbody strap, and she does adjust, like I said. I feel like she fits perfect. If I ever wore her as a crossbody strap, I like her like this, right? A little bit below my stomach and right at my hip area, so I can just take things in and out of it and run errands with my kids. This I'm wearing is normal Kamali. I'm in a size medium. I'll link it. It is pretty true to size. I'll link it down below. I will also link this bag if anybody feels frisky and wants to like buy it. But she is absolutely gorgeous. She's definitely like a piece that I'm gonna keep. I like that she's leather, so I'm not dealing with the coated canvas. I'm dealing with a leather piece, and a pretty substantial leather piece, so it should hold its shape and hold its value, hopefully pretty well. But if not, she is a forever piece for me because she will remind me of my trip to Italy every time I wear her. When it comes to styling her, I think with a pair of jeans and it just strapped over your shoulder, jeans, white button down, the bag strapped over your shoulder, a pair of trainers to run errands. She's not really a going out bag. She's more so a functional bag. So doing it more street style. Now, again, this is the brainchild of Pharrell. And so like it's more so leans towards a man's bag more than a woman's bag, but it's okay. Every bag is everybody's bag. That's my motto. I feel like a really good look with this would be like joggers, matching joggers with a pair of boots underneath, and then this bag strapped over your shoulder, a little cap, because, you know, for winter, I would still wear this for winter, a little cap over your head, sunglasses, and this bag. It leans more street, wearing it streetwear, than it does wearing it with a dress or even a pair of slacks. So absolutely adore this bag. It's just fun and it makes me smile, and sometimes you just buy pieces that just bring some joy into your life. So absolutely adore the bag. She will be in heavy rotation when spring comes. And then also I'm definitely going to style her for fall because I feel like we should not limit colors to one season, right? Color should be able to be worn every season, and there's a way to style it where it fits whatever season you need it to fit. So we're gonna go ahead and pack her back up, put her back in her house, and get ready for the giveaway. This is gonna be a very short video because we want to just get straight to that giveaway. So for the giveaway, I am giving away 2 handbags to 2 lucky winners. This F&W style bag from a Black-owned brand. It is 100% full leather. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's a collaboration between my good friend TT and the brand F&W Style based out of Atlanta, Georgia. This brand has been seen on so many celebrities, including Gabrielle Union. It has been in magazines. The brand itself, this is one of their newest bags in this gorgeous lime pebble leather. She comes with top handle, she comes with crossbody, and she zips as well. The inside is this beautiful vibrant pink, and she fits everything inside of her. So highly recommend this. Not highly recommend, it's a giveaway bag. I have it in this gorgeous soft mauve pink, and then I have it in this gorgeous vibrant hot pink. Both of them have feet, and they are just going to be amazing in one of you guys's closet. Now, the bags will be filled with goodies, from skincare to jewelry to anything else I think I want to slide up in there. It will be filled with goodies. So whichever one of you two gets the bags will not only get these leather pieces that retail for over, I think these bags were, let me tell you the price. These bags retail for $220 a piece. That's without tax. So you're getting like a $250 value of a bag for the giveaway, and it's going to be filled with goodies as well. And that is just my way of thanking you guys for rocking with me, for being patient with me, even though I'm not as consistent as I want to be, for showing up when I show up in my shorts, in my videos, and just for being an amazing group of ladies and sometimes men, because there's not that many men on here, and we're okay with that. So in order to win, the first thing I want you to do is make sure you're following me here on YouTube and on Instagram and on my TikTok. It is fully forward across all platforms. I will link my Instagram and TikTok down in the description. So make sure you follow me on those 3 social media platforms. And then comment how you found my channel and which bag and color you want. And then for bonus points, share it to your Instagram story and you will be entered to win. The winner will be picked at the end of the month. So in September, I will announce the winner on my Instagram story and also down here in the description. I am so excited to ship this bag off to one of you amazing people. So you'll follow me on those 3 platforms, you comment, and you share for extra points. Thank you so much for joining me on this corner of the internet. We are on the road to 50,000 Lovies, and I'm so excited. If you're not following me on my other social media platforms, it is Fumi Forward across all platforms. Any of these items I will link down below if you do want to shop. Thank you so much for spending time with me on this corner of the internet. Love you, mean it. Bye.